Ok, clase, para este video vamos a hablar sobre capítulo 1 y su vocabulario. Okay, so for this chapter, we're going to talk about the vocab from chapter 1, which consists of questions, colors, school subjects, and a few adjectives. So let's begin. We're going to start with our question words. Okay, we are already familiar with some of them, like ¿Cómo estás? How are you? And ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Okay, but here are the rest of them and their meanings. Okay, so we have que, which means what. Quién or quiénes, which means who. One is singular and one is plural. I'll explain that later. We have cuál and cuáles, which means which one or which ones. Again, singular and plural. Cómo, how. For example, like the question, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Cuándo, when. Like when I asked you when your birthday was. Cuánto, which means how much or how many. This one is singular and plural, but also masculine and feminine, as you'll see. ¿Dónde? Where? And ¿por qué? Why? So make sure you pause the video and write all those down. Okay, here's just some example sentences so you can see them in practice. ¿Cuál es tu mochila? Which one is your backpack? ¿Cuáles son tus libros? Which ones are your books? ¿Quién es de Argentina? Who is from Argentina? ¿Quiénes son ellos? Who are they? ¿Cuánta tarea hay en la clase de español? How much homework is there in Spanish class? ¿Cuántos estudiantes hay en la clase? How many students are in the class? ¿Por qué estudias hoy? Why are you studying today? Estudio porque tengo un examen. I am studying because I have a test. Notice both of these are pronounced porque. One is together though and one is separate. ¿Cuándo es el concierto de los cristianos? When is the Christian concert? ¿Qué es esto? What is this? ¿Dónde están mis libros? Where are my books? So again, these are all examples of question words. So make sure you took the time to pause the video and write those down. And now we are going to move on to the colores, the colors. Los colores, the colors. Whoop, whoop. Yeah. All right. We got negro, black. El perro es negro. The dog's black. We have blanco, white. Las nubes son blancas. The clouds are white. We have rojo, red. Las manzanas son rojas. The apples are red. Verde or verde, depending if you pronounce the V like a B. El árbol es verde. The tree is green. Rosada, pink. El flamenco es rosado. The flamingo is pink. Violeta or violeta, violet. La flor es violeta. The flower is violet. Café, brown. El alce es café. The moose is brown. Amarillo, yellow. El sol es amarillo, the sun is yellow. Azul, los pantalones son azules, the pants are blue. Gris, gray, la nube es gris, the cloud is gray. It's bad weather, right? Pardo, this means brownish gray, so not brown, but brown gray. El ciervo es pardo. The deer is brownish gray. Morado, purple. Okay, and here's just some practice with them. Azul marino. El uniforme del policía es azul marino. So this is actually like darker blue. Anaranjado. That's probably the hardest one that y'all are for y'all to say, but that's orange. La naranja es anaranjada. The orange is orange. Turquesa. Turquoise. Las joyas son turquesas. The jewelry are turquoise. Dorado. Gold. Plateado. Silver. Okay, muy bien. Now we're going to have some práctica with it. ¿De qué color es el bus escolar? What color is the school bus? Amarillo. What color is the tree? Verde y café. So it's green and brown con limones amarillos with yellow lemons. ¿De qué color son los zapatos? Son rojos. They are red. ¿De qué color es el abrigo? What color is the coat? Azul. Blue. ¿De qué colores means there's more than one? Es el tigre. Es anaranjado con rayas negras. It's orange with black stripes. ¿De qué colores son los pájaros? What colors are the birds? Blancos y pardos. White and grayish brown. ¿De qué color es el tiburón? Azul. Blue. ¿De qué color es la rana? What color is the frog? Verde, with ojos amarillos, with yellow eyes. Okay, and that is going to be it for this video. Now we are going to move on with, or not the video, sorry, with this particular section. We are going to move on to classroom subjects. Okay, now we're going to talk about cursos de la escuela, so school courses or classes. Some vocabulario importante that you need to know would be la escuela, means school. La escuela secundaria, high school or secondary school. And la universidad, university. Some more, la clase, class. El curso, course. El profesor, a male professor or teacher. La profesora, a female professor or teacher. El alumno, a male student, or also known as el estudiante. La alumna or la estudiante, a female student. Okay, now let's talk about las clases de la escuela, classes of the school. We have las ciencias, we have the sciences, which consists of biología, química, and física. Again, pause the video for you to write all those down. We have las matemáticas, math, aritmética, arithmetic, álgebra, la geometría, and el cálculo. We have las lenguas, languages, español, inglés, francés, alemán, Latin. Of course, there are a lot more, but those are the only ones I want you to know. Las ciencias sociales, social sciences, for example, historia and geografía, geography and history. Otras disciplinas, so other things you can also take, la educación física, which is PE, la música, music, and el arte, art. Okay? That is it for school subjects, and our last section is going to be adjetivos, the adjectives. Okay, our last section for this video is los adjetivos, the adjectives. There are a ton of adjectives. Here are a few of them. Okay, activo. Active. Let's see if you can guess them before I even put up the English word. Aburrido. Boring. Atlética. Athletic. Morena. Dark hair or dark skin. Rubia. Blonde. Pelirroja. Redhead. Simpático. Friendly or nice. Antipático. unfriendly or mean. Extrovertido, that's me. Outgoing. Tímida, definitely not me. Shy. Gracioso, witty, cómica, funny, guapo, good looking, bonita, pretty, trabajador, hardworking, perezoso, lazy, intelectual or inteligente, intellectual or intelligent. Tonto, we can all be this at times. Foolish or silly. Serio, serious. Romántico, oh, romantic. Alto, tall, that is definitely not me. Bajo, that's more me. Short. Artístico, that's me. Artistic. Calvo, bald. Paciente, patient, that's what we all need to be. Impaciente, this is what we don't need to be. Impatient. Viejo, I'm getting there. Old. Joven. Young. Organizada, this is definitely me. Organized. Desorganizada, or O. Disorganized. Rica. Rich. Pobre. Poor. Okay, and that's where we are going to stop for este video. I realize that it is a lot of vocab, but just pause the video. I went through it pretty quickly. Just pause the video and write them all down. And for the next 2 days or so, we are going to practice with all of this vocab in different activities and games. Gracias y chao!